ko in-expect na ang warm ng pagtanggap ng mga bata sa akin. High school students ko and they're aspiring to be journalists. So nakakatuwa, nakaka-inspire. But there are a lot of young journalists out there who would still like to become professional journalists. So I think the future is bright for journalism. Attention sa akin. January of 1985, officially I was taken in as a reporter na. Sa mga sandaling ito, patuloy ang laroon ako ng front row seat sa pinakamalalaking pangyayari sa loob at labas.